In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a navigation bar in Elementor. If you've been searching for a way to give your website that sleek, professional look, a well-crafted navigation bar is a fantastic place to start. It's not only a critical element for enhancing the user experience, but also helps in guiding your visitors through your site with ease. So, let's dive right in and walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll need to ensure you have the right tools to get started. You'll have to choose between installing the Elements kit or the Elementor Header and Footer Builder plugins. Both of these are fantastic options that provide you with the functionalities required to create a custom navigation bar. You can find these plugins in the WordPress plugin directory. Once you've decided on the plugin that suits your needs best, go ahead and install it. Installing a plugin is straightforward. Simply go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, click on Add New, then search for your chosen plugin and hit Install Now. Don't forget to activate it once the installation is complete. The next step is to navigate to the Appearance section in your WordPress dashboard. Hover over Appearance, and you'll find the Header, Footer, and Blocks option. Click on it, and you'll enter a new world where you can customize your header and footer to your heart's content. If you used to think this was complex, think again. It's actually quite easy when you know what to do. Here, you'll want to create a new header template. This is where the magic happens, and where you'll design the navigation bar that will appear on your site. The interface is user-friendly and intuitive, perfect for both beginners and more experienced users. To bring your navigation bar to life, you'll need to incorporate the Nav menu widget provided by the plugin. Drag and drop the widget into your header template. This is a powerful tool that allows you to decide how your navigation bar functions and appears. You can customize the menu, choose which pages to display, and even style it to match your website's design. Play around with the settings and find the right combination that fits your brand and makes navigation seamless for your audience. Finally, once you're content with your navigation menu, the crucial step is to assign it to display across your entire site. This ensures that no matter where on your website a visitor might be, your navigation bar is consistent and accessible. You usually find this option under the Display settings, where you can select to show the header on the entire site. Double-check your settings to ensure everything is as you want it, and then hit Publish. And there you have it, a beautifully crafted navigation bar that enhances the user experience and adds a professional touch to your website, all done within Elementor. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore more features within the plugin to further personalize your site experience.